Huawei continues to assert its place among the leaders in smartwatches with the Watch GT 5 Pro. This high-end model promises a balance between elegance, record battery life, and advanced functionality. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or a user looking to monitor your health accurately, this watch has everything to please on paper. Its titanium case, bright rotating display, and next-generation health sensors are major assets. But can it stand up to giants like Apple and Samsung in a market where software is as important as hardware? Stay until the end to discover all its strengths, weaknesses, and whether it deserves a place on your wrist. You'll also find a link in the description to check the best prices and maybe even buy it. Every click and purchase supports the channel. The design of the Huawei Watch GT 5 Pro is a true feat. Right out of the box, it makes an impression with its modern and refined look. Huawei has chosen an aerospace-grade titanium case, a material that combines lightness, strength, and corrosion resistance. Two sizes are available, a 46mm model that showcases a bold and sporty style, and a 42mm format more discreet and suited for slimmer wrists. Each version offers a slightly different aesthetic, a rarity in the world of smartwatches where designs are often standardized. The strap also adds to the charm of this watch. You can choose between a titanium mesh strap, perfect for an elegant and formal look, or a fluoro-elastomer strap, more suited for intense sports sessions. The latter offers excellent comfort thanks to its flexibility and lightness. The octagonal shape of the case, inspired by luxury watches, stands out in a sector dominated by round or square dials. Despite its generous size, the watch remains comfortable on the wrist, even during extended use. In terms of durability, Huawei has equipped the GT 5 Pro with a sapphire crystal, known for its exceptional scratch resistance. It is also IP69K certified, which guarantees water resistance up to 50 meters and resistance to high-pressure water jets. In short, a design that combines aesthetics and practicality. The GT 5 Pro is not beautiful, it is tech-packed. The display, a 1.43-inch AMOLED with resolution 466 by 466 pixels. This screen offers a high pixel density, vibrant colors, and impeccable readability, even in bright sunlight. On the battery side, it's a real strong point. With a 524 mAh battery, it can last up to 14 days with normal use and about 7 days with intensive use like active GPS or always-on mode. Huawei also offers an ultra-economy mode that can extend battery life up to 30 days, perfect for long trips without a charger. In terms of health, the Watch GT 5 Pro is equipped with cutting-edge sensors, an electrocardiogram to detect heart irregularities, an ultra-accurate heart rate sensor, blood oxygen measurement, skin temperature to monitor your overall health, and stress tracking with built-in relaxation exercises. Sleep tracking is particularly impressive. The watch analyzes the different sleep phases, detects potential apneas, and provides detailed reports to improve your rest. In terms of sports, it offers over 100 workout modes, from running to yoga, including diving and golf. The multi-band GPS ensures accurate tracking, even in challenging environments like urban or mountainous areas. Navigation on the Watch GT 5 Pro is simple and intuitive. The rotating crown allows for smooth scrolling through menus, and the customizable button provides quick access to your favorite functions. The touchscreen is also very responsive, which further enhances the user experience. However, the Harmony OS 4.0 software quickly shows its limitations. While the interface is smooth and pleasant, the ecosystem remains too closed. You won't have access to popular apps like Spotify, Google Maps, or Strava. Huawei offers alternatives like Pedal Maps, but it struggles to compete with market standards. Another downside is the lack of contactless payment outside of China. In 2024, this feature has become essential for a smartwatch, and its absence is a real drawback for European users. Despite everything, the watch remains pleasant to use on a daily basis, thanks to its comfort and numerous health tracking tools. Against watches like the Apple Watch Series 10 or the Galaxy Watch 6, the Huawei Watch GT 5 Pro shines with its battery life and premium design. No other watch in this category can compete with its battery life. However, it is significantly less versatile. The lack of apps and modern NFC puts it at a disadvantage looking for an all-in-one smartwatch. It will be more suitable for an audience looking for a robust and independent activity tracker than for users wanting a rich ecosystem. In summary, the GT5 Pro is an attractive smartwatch, ideal for those seeking a sleek design, record battery life, and advanced health features. Its sapphire glass, titanium case, and accurate GPS make it an excellent choice for athletes and health-conscious users. However, it is hindered by its limited software ecosystem and the lack of contactless payments. It is not the ideal smartwatch for those who want a versatile device capable of handling all daily tasks. For those who prioritize battery life and hardware performance, it remains a compelling option. You can find all the information as well as the best price through the link in the description. Every click and purchase via this link supports the channel, and I thank you for that. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment to share your thoughts, like it, and of course, subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Ciao, ciao.